Welcome to the Top Best. The best regional architecture is probably one of the most fascinating aspects of human history, reflecting the unique cultures, climates, and resources of different regions. From the adobe structures of the Southwest to the timber-framed houses of Europe, regional architecture showcases the ingenuity and adaptability of people around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the world of regional architecture, exploring its diverse forms and the stories they tell. Number 5. CeraVe Anti-Aging Retinol Serum. Introducing CeraVe Anti-Aging Retinol Serum. This serum is designed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It's a gentle yet effective solution for smoother, brighter skin. The serum features encapsulated retinol, which is released slowly over time. This innovative MVE technology helps support your skin's natural barrier. It ensures the ingredients work long after application. This formula includes hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, providing lasting hydration. Niacinamide is also included to help calm and soothe your skin. It's a powerful combination for healthy skin. This fragrance-free and non-comedogenic serum is gentle on the skin. Start by using it in the evening and gradually increase to daily use. Allow your skin to adjust to the benefits. The serum is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2. These ceramides help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. They are key to healthy, resilient skin. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists. This serum is suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. It's a trusted choice for your skincare routine. What we like. This serum uses encapsulated retinol, which means it releases slowly, being gentle on your skin. It also includes ceramides to support your skin barrier. If you have sensitive skin and are looking to reduce fine lines and brighten your complexion, you should consider this. What people say. My skin definitely feels softer and moisturized after using. The serum effortlessly sinks into the skin, leaving behind a hydrated and plump feel without any greasiness, a testament to its lightweight and non-comedogenic nature. Not only does it diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but it also tackles uneven skin tone and promotes a youthful radiance. Number 4. LEGO Architecture San Francisco Skyline 21043 Building Kit. This LEGO set perfectly captures the San Francisco skyline. It features iconic landmarks, allowing you to bring the city's essence to life. It's a great way to celebrate the city's beauty. The set includes models of the Golden Gate Bridge, the Transamerica Pyramid, and even Alcatraz. You can build famous landmarks like the Painted Ladies buildings. It's a comprehensive representation of San Francisco's architectural marvels. This architecture building kit is perfect for display in your home or office. It can be built together with other LEGO sets. This collectible toy is a great addition to any collection. This set is part of the LEGO Architecture Collection, which recreates famous landmarks from around the world. From Paris to China, the collection offers a world of building possibilities. It's a great way to explore different cultures. With 565 pieces, this set is perfect for ages 12 and up. It measures over 6 inches high and 11 inches wide. It makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves San Francisco or LEGO. What we like. This set lets you build a miniature San Francisco skyline, including the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz. It's a great display piece for any room. If you are looking for a unique gift for a San Francisco enthusiast or architecture lover, you should consider this. What people say. The book provides a comprehensive overview of regional architecture. It covers various aspects of design and construction. The book includes detailed case studies. Number 3. LEGO Architecture Paris 21044 Building Set. This LEGO architecture set celebrates the world of architecture, design, and history. It's perfect for travel enthusiasts who enjoy building and displaying iconic landmarks. Designed for ages 12 and up, this set provides a rewarding and relaxing building experience. It's a great way to unwind and create something beautiful for your home or office. The set features a highly detailed interpretation of the Paris skyline. It includes famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, and the Louvre, along with tree and grass areas. The included booklet provides information about the designer, architecture, and history of each structure. This enhances the building experience, making it both fun and educational. Each model is scaled to accurately represent the comparative size of the featured structures. The set also features realistic color depiction and great attention to detail. What we like. This Lego set recreates the Paris skyline, featuring iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. The included booklet provides information about the architecture. If you like travel and enjoy relaxing building experiences, you should consider this. What people say. Wonderful set. My son really enjoyed building it. It stands in our living room and keeps the memories from the Paris trip. The level of detail and craftsmanship that went into creating the Paris skyline is simply incredible. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the Arc de Triomphe, every landmark is expertly represented in this set. The building process was also a lot of fun. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the pieces fit together perfectly. Number 2. Mr. Pen 3-Piece Architect Drawing Template Set. Introducing the Mr. Pen 3-Piece Architect Drawing Template Set. This set is designed to simplify your architectural and interior design projects. It's perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. The house plan template includes essential symbols. It features kitchen appliances, door and electric symbols, plumbing fixtures, and a roof pitch gauge. This template helps you create detailed and accurate house plans. With the furniture template, you can easily design living spaces. It includes furnishings for living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and office areas. This allows you to visualize your space effectively. This template focuses on the details of kitchens, bedrooms, and bathrooms. It includes cabinets, appliances, beds, and dressers. This template helps you create detailed and accurate designs. Made from a flexible yet sturdy material, this set is built to last. It's perfect for architects, builders, and contractors. This set will be a valuable tool for all your design needs. What we like. This set provides templates for house plans, interior design, and furniture layouts. The material is flexible yet sturdy. If you are an architect, builder, or interior designer, you should consider this. What people say. The plastic is strong and appears to be quite durable, and each template is transparent so that one can see what one is working on without moving the template. The edges are smooth, will not damage pencil lead or marker tips. The shapes are precise, durable, and easy to use, making layouts quick and accurate. Number 1. LEGO NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266. Relive the historic moon landing with this detailed LEGO set. It's a replica of the Eagle lunar lander, ready to bring the iconic moment to life. This set features a detailed lunar lander with a lunar surface. It includes a crater, footprints, and a US flag. This realistic model provides an immersive space experience. The modular set includes a descent stage with gold-colored landing pads. It also has panels, an opening camera, laser hatches, and a movable ladder. This allows you to explore every detail. The ascent stage boasts a detailed interior with room for 2 astronaut minifigures. It's finished with an Apollo 11 lunar lander nameplate. It's a perfect place for the astronauts. The collector building set includes 2 astronaut minifigures with NASA decoration and golden helmets. They are ready to explore the moon. This building model makes a great centerpiece for home or office. It provides a challenging and rewarding building experience for adults. It's a great display piece. What we like. This set is a detailed replica of the Apollo 11 lunar lander, complete with astronaut minifigures. It's a great collector's display piece. If you are a space enthusiast or looking for a challenging build, you should consider this. What people say. The book provides a comprehensive overview of regional architecture. It covers a wide range of architectural styles and their historical context. The illustrations and photographs are of high quality and enhance the understanding of the subject matter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.